Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a vertical live stream on YouTube with your OBS. Now, you must have seen a lot of people doing vertical live stream directly with their phones, but you want to play a game or you want to stream a program, you want to do something, and you want other input in your vertical live stream. This is what we'll be doing today, and you'll be getting how to do everything from step one to the final step. So let's dive right in and do it together. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you must have your OBS. You have your OBS installed on your system. Then as long as your OBS is installed on your system, you're going to download AITON for your vertical live stream. It's a kind of platform that allows you, just like an NDI, just like you download NDI on your computer so that you can download. So this is ITON, and it helps you starting your ITON vertical download. So it's going to download into your system. So the moment you get to the page, I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video so that you can download it right away. The moment you get to that page, it helps you to download it, and then you save that into your downloads. Then you install from your download. You install it. I already have it installed. If your OBS is opened, you will have to close it back and open it again. When you open it, you're going to have the vertical space here, and you're going to have the horizontal space right there. Now, the first thing we're going to do is probably you want to add your camera. Then you come to the vertical where you have the these vertical sources. You click on add. So video capture, I'm using a video capture. I've already connected my cam link to the camera, and then so video capture. No. We don't want that sound. There's an echo coming from the camera because the camera has a mic installed, a mic connected to it. So now you get that. Now from your screen, you're already seeing something like this. So it's going to bring, I had to mute my video capture device so that it does not bring the sound into vMix, because I don't want that sound coming out. Okay, as a general rule of thumb, if you don't want the audio from your camera to come into the system directly, all you can just do is just mute the sound coming from the camera. Now the reason why the sound is coming from the camera is because I'm using my cam link, and cam link can carry the sound directly. So what I'm going to do is just mute this. I've muted it, and so there's no sound that is going to come out. Now we definitely don't want this to look like this on the screen. We don't want it to show like this, so we can always adjust it to fit. Now I think Control F does that for us, but because it's vertical live stream, so you can just transform, fit to screen. So this is it, fit to screen. Now having done this, you definitely need some other things on your screen. Let's say for example your you can add other media. Let me just add a media source. Let me add the media source from my download. I designed something on Canva, and so I'm going to add that. We just go to download the testing video that we're going to put. I want to loop it so that it continues playing. So added. So I'm going to drag this down and right click, transform, fit to screen. So we'll push this one down so that plays on continually. So you can add your touch screen. For example, you want to play a game, you can add your touch screen here. So what I can just do is just duplicate and just add an image. I have an image of this also, so I'll just add that image so that the whole screen can be full. All right, so downloads, I have it in my downloads. So just here, right click on it, right click on this and transform to fit to screen. Now this is like the most important step. So the moment you are done doing this, the only thing now that is not included in this is your volume, I mean your sound. You definitely need a sound that's going to come into the camera, into the live stream. So now don't include your voice or your audio in your vertical sources. Don't include your audio in your vertical sources. What you do is include your audio from your sources, the main sources you have here. That's where you're going to put your mic. Now I have a Rode mic connected, and this is it. I believe you can see this. So now I have a Rode mic connected. This is what I'm going to be using for the vertical live stream. Now it's already inserted here, so all I just need to do is inserted from the Behringer audio card. So all I just need to do is unmute it. I don't want that sound coming out from the distance. Now with this, now we have our sound coming in from this Rode mic, and we have all our screen set. The camera is set, the live stream is set, probably starting soon, and what you want to show on the screen. And you can flip, you can actually make your screen bigger, you can increase some things, you can just be flexible as much as possible from here. All right, so that being said, this is set, this is set. Now the next thing is you go to your YouTube page where you want to create a live stream. Now we are not going to stream this live so that everybody will see it. We just for testing sake. So we go to create, go live. We click on go live. And you click on go live. Wait for it to load, and all right. So from your going live, if you're going live for the very first time, you need to wait for 24 hours before it is activated for you to go live. So just click on schedule a stream. Let me create a new stream. So testing vertical live stream. Excellent media. So then you are going to select streaming software, people and games, probably the category you want to choose for your live stream. Just select it and then you're good to go. And if you need a thumbnail, but I think generally I don't think your vertical live stream needs a thumbnail, but if you so wish to put a thumbnail, that's beautiful. So you can upload your thumbnail. We have a thumbnail that we inserted. We can just put that just for the sake of just insert it, then we're good. So select what tech podcast. Let's just click on that. Just no, it is not made for kids, and you put your tags and everything you need to put in the stream. Next, customization. Next, visibility. We don't want it to be visible, we want it to be unlisted, so you can start anytime. Done. So it's going to create that for us, and we'll wait for it to create. Sorry, apologies, my network is kind of very slow this morning. So now no data is coming from the stream. So what we need to do here is, this is your live stream page, and from this live stream page you want to set up everything that you need to put into your OBS. So we have the default stream key here. You copy your key, and you go back to your OBS. Now from your OBS settings, there are some settings here. So you click on settings, click on your settings. It takes you to where you can set up for your live stream. Now this is the general 100 1920, so on and so on like that. Streaming, so YouTube vertical, this is stream key. Insert a stream key. Go back to your YouTube page and copy the stream URL. Copy. Because it's YouTube I'm using before, I think it should be the same. Paste. So now make sure you don't enable the ones you are not using. So if anyone you're using is the one you will enable, so you can put it on the first one, you can put it on the second one, depending on where you want to put it. Now you can just click on these settings. Depends on you, depending on your internet. 2.5, you can put it 10,000, depending on what you want to put. Now, so I think with this set you are good to go, and you can click on use main OBS settings. The main OBS settings comes with the sound, comes with everything, and you are good to go. Just click on OK. Now with this we are fine and we are good to go. So the next thing is for you to just click on go live. You click on go live, stream all vertical output. So we click on stream, we go back to our YouTube, and we expect to see a screen. We expect to see, okay, good, excellent connection. So it's waiting for us for the stream to be sent in properly, and then we're able to go live on YouTube vertically. Now you see it's coming up. It's coming up. It's supposed to show a vertical live stream for us, whatever is on our vertical live stream. Beautiful. You see, we are good to go. So when you click on go live, it goes live. Now you can enable auto start or enable auto stop. Because you have sent your feed into YouTube, then you will not be able to change from your auto start again. But because we have not started, we can still change the auto stop. So you just click on go live, and then this goes live, including the voice, the sound, the volume that we are setting. Everything goes on live. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and then we're starting very soon. Please hit the like, subscribe button, and get ready for fun today. So I believe with this you are ready on your live stream and you are good to go. So that is how it works. Now at the same time, you can also go live on vertical and you can go live on the horizontal. In the next video I'll be showing you how to go live on both vertical and horizontal stream at the same time. So YouTube does the work of putting it in your live stream and putting it in the short live stream. They do all that work because it's already set to feed in a vertical live stream, and so that is what iTunes does for us. The link to that plugin is inserted in the video description, so you can just get it from there, and then we are good to go. Now I think for me, what vertical live stream will help your channel to achieve is more visibility, because you know people just scroll, people scroll. So in the scrolling, they can get in touch with your channel. People even who don't subscribe to your channel, they get to see it. So that is how it works. If we go to our YouTube dashboard, we should be able to see content. Let's go to content. We should be able to see. I just want to show you so that we can play together and you see what it is live. Should be here. So testing, get shareable link. Let me just put it here and press enter. All right. Testing vertical live stream. Now because nobody can watch it, we are the only one that have access to it. So testing, get sharing. So everything is working. I had to mute the audio for the sake of reverb. So this is working perfectly, and I think we're good to go now. If you come back to your OBS, you can have all of the settings that you used to have from your settings. You can send messages. I think there's a dock here that allows you to YouTube live control panel. So I think with the YouTube live control panel, we may be asked to sign in. So we don't want to do that sign in now. So let's just, yeah, it's a dockable, so you can take it off, you can bring it back. So this is your vertical live stream. Everything is all set and good to go. You have no problem, and then you can go on vertical live stream and your horizontal live stream. This will give you a lot of visibility, I believe. So if you'll be trying it out, can you just drop in the comment section that I'll be trying the vertical live stream in my next stream? Just put it there. And please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, can you do well to subscribe to this channel? We're just about 202 subscribers. So can you be the 500th person that's going to subscribe to this channel? Please click on the subscribe button. No, I'm not just, I don't want to stay in 202. I don't want to stay in 203. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. I believe you've gained one or two things. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you're going to go on vertical and horizontal live stream at the same time. Don't forget to end your stream on YouTube. Don't forget to end your stream on YouTube. So you end your stream here, and yeah, this is all internet issues. So end your stream, then come back to here, then end your stream. So you have ended the stream and you're all good to go. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Peace out.